I mean, I think I'm looking right smack at him, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there he is.
Somebody said it was backing off, but it's still 45.
It was backing off when I was out there because I couldn't sail, you know, part of the time.
Yeah, it's not big enough for him, is it?
It's it's really. I can't believe how much it's blowing.
Yeah.
I was on a 3.7 in 1 minute. I'd be like dropped in the water because there's a small pocket of no wind, you know. And the next minute it would be blowing it out of my hands completely. I mean, it's just amazing. This camera is vibrating so much just from the wind that I can't even get a good picture here.
Forget it.
The wind is vibrating the whole table, actually.
There are white caps right in that shore. I mean, that is mind-boggling.
You can't even get a water started. It's too much. Looks like.
This camera's got an amazing zoom, though.
Does it? Oh, good.
Yeah, I couldn't believe. Did you see that guy doing the loops, though?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
What were they loops or barrel rolls?
I don't know. I didn't see one, actually. I just heard about them from you guys. Alright, I got Dad. He's up. It's so exciting out there, but it's almost scary, you know? I want to go again, but it's just a little over the top right now. In some ways. It saps your energy quick, too. You know, it just feels so extreme. Oh, your Dad's going to love this footage. This is going to be really cool, actually.
No, I never picked up the camera.
I'm getting a real good picture right now. Hopefully I can get him driving. Drive, Dad. I guess I'll take it out one more time. I'd like to get a picture of myself. It'd be nice to see it.
That would be fun. Yeah.
This actually works. I just have it sitting on the table and I just keep him in the center. I just use the zoom if I need to, a little bit here and there. You can get right in there. Is this high def? I mean, it's pretty nice though. I mean, you can get right in very close and see what's going on. Anna, you'll be able to see how the water start here. You can see all the things about it.
Did you change the foot straps, Brooke?
Actually, I did not.
You did not? Okay.
No.
There he goes.
Yeah.
That's pretty fast.
Yeah, I keep having to move the camera. I can't keep him in the screen. He's gonna like that. Oop! Crashed.
Yeah.
Another guy coming in.
Trying to avoid that guy, but he was going pretty much after that.
That guy's.
Maybe the windshield's out there.
At least he's having fun. It looks like he's going back out again.
Yeah, I know.
I'm getting it. At least you can see what's going wrong if you miss it, you know. Yeah, he got blown out of his hands. I can see it probably better here than you guys can.
Okay.
I don't know where he is now, but he's out there. Is that him coming in now? Or no, he's way the heck out. I can't believe it. Doesn't matter how far he is. I can still get him with this zoom. It's 32x. Just I lost him here temporarily. Oh, he's up again, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't find him. There he is. Really helps to have the table to stabilize this. And we can edit this footage, Mom, and edit out the bad stuff. So, I mean, like the bumpy and crappy footage.
No one wants to watch because it makes you see fish.
Yeah. I just kind of think I'd rather be close to school, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, that's going to be 15, 20 minutes every morning in the car. I don't know.
Is that Jamie one?
What do you think, dude? What's that?
Is Jamie one close to your school? I can't remember.
Yeah, isn't it? Yeah, it is. That's why they liked it. It was close to...
Oh, the Jamie's one? Yeah.
Of course, I mean, they may want it back. I don't know how long they're going to be gone, but...
I just think in a few years, I mean, I might be able to get some money back out of that place.
I don't know, because it's old. And people want fresh and new.
It's in a great location, though. It's not in bad shape at all.
Well, I think you could improve the kitchen. You'd have to. Though.
I don't think it's from the 70s, you guys. I honestly don't.
Well, that's 1977.
I don't think so.
Sure, find out.
It is? I thought it was in the 80s or something.
No.
But it's such a smart design, like with the deck and the storage and all that. You know? It's so livable, I mean. I don't know, the bathroom's a little small. Well, I guess I gotta look at all the rentals then before I do anything and just think about it.
Look at the numbers. I mean, you just don't want to get stuck with, you know.
The Taj Mahal place is nice, but there's not a lot of storage, and to get in and out with windsurfers is like impossible. I mean,
I doubt we're using windsurfers anyway, right?
You don't think I will?
There's so many other things to do. But you kite. I mean, you guys, you might decide to have another kid too. You might have 2 kids after 3 years. I mean, after 3 years, who knows? It is a long time.
I don't know.
Somehow we have to know, right?
You don't even know what we're doing, Mom.
I know, but it's just because you have to